What's up people, it's your boy Vijay here, back again with another video. So how you all doing? Hope you are good in the current situation on the COVID-19 pandemic, everyone. So let's get into this video, and yeah, everyone please stay safe and stay at home only. So yeah, let's get into this video. So in this video I will show you how to create a GitHub repository. You know GitHub, everybody in the industry that are working with software and IT stuffs and knows about GitHub. And if you don't, so let me explain it. GitHub is basically a version control software. It has a software form also and a website form too. So you can basically you can upload a version of your software, and you can also give access to other developers that are working on your team, so they can uh, update that with a new version control, and so the software generally basically develops. One person does a site, like for a website, one person does a front end and the other guy does the back end, and both then merge it to become the full-fledged full stack website. So that's how the GitHub works. And so I will show you how to create a repository, a public one. A private cannot be shared, a public repository can be shared, and you can also download other people's open source repositories and use and improve it for yourself. So let's begin with this video. So you all know that previously I made a video on the travel website, the traveler website, that was the travel.com. You can see on the screen. It has all the files that you need. So I am just uploading this file on the repository, so you can download it, and the link will be given in that description too. So let's begin with this video, and if you haven't watched the previous video, you will see it on the top right corner I button or in the description below. So here is the GitHub, and by the way, a fact is that GitHub, it was founded in 2008, but it was acquired by Microsoft in 2018. So its parent organization is now Microsoft Corporation. So that was a fact you need to know. So here is the GitHub. So yeah, you can see all my repositories here, and you can directly click it from here. So let me give you a better view of this repository. So here on the icon of your sign in logo, then go to your project. You can also create a project, start JITs and your repositories. So the repository here is, and yeah, this is me only. So here are some repositories like the Java projects that I have made sometime, and this was an online project that I made on the food website like the Zomato. So here you can see all the it was made on the .php. So let me open a page that index.php, and here you can see all the code that that I have written on it. So yeah, this was the website that was made on the food project. So also let me show you how to then download this one. So to download, here you need to click on this one, clone or download, and it will download a zip package. You can see only there is only one contributor, that is me only, and I haven't give any access to any others to contribute on this one. So now, and it was only one time committed only. Yeah, so now where we were on creating a repository. So let's create a new repository. So for creating a new repository, you need to click here on the new. The owner name will be the sign in account, and here you will write the repository name like travel.com, the travel.com. This let me give a small description. This is a basic HTML website for travel agency. This will be pretty much enough. And now here you can see private commit and a public commit. So a public repository will be access to anyone, but if you know the user name or a GitHub name, and private will not give any allow or access. Initially private was paid on GitHub, so you have to pay money for keeping your files private, and now it is not, and it has been free for everyone. Public and private both are free. Let's initialize this repository with the readme and then create a repository. So our repository has been created. So now we will upload file here. So upload file, choose your file. It is in the desktop travel.com, and yeah, Control A, open. So there are 23 files including all the images. So now it is being uploaded to the repository. And no need to do anything changes. Let's commit this one, commit changes, processing your file. This may take a few minutes to process all your files and upload onto the server, and yeah, it is done by the time I am talking about it only. So now this is available on the internet, and you can just go on this link, github.com/avijay /the file repository name, that is travel.com. So let me copy this one, and I will give the link in the previous video description, and also I will give the link in this video description also. So here you can always go to clone and download zip. So this was how to create a repository, and let me show you. It has been included in my repositories. You can see travel.com is there, updated 1 minute ago on HTML. So that was in this video. Hope you liked this video, and you get something about GitHub and how to create a repository and download files from the repositories. So that was in this video. Hope you like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you up with some fun stuffs in the next video. Yeah, peace.